This strap opens it. The second step is to open the tip on the upper cover of the carton. Oh, step 3. Remove the carton. Oh, here's the kit. Remove first. Open the kit box. Manual. Accessory box. Charger. There are two 14-17 wrenches. Then 14. This one is outside and the other is inside. 4 black inner hexagon screws were found in the kit. A pair of inner hexagons. Be sure to check these 4 小时 as well. Take this screw from below. Screw on. Now just take the wrench and tighten it. There are 4 screws in total, all tightened. Then remove these 2 screws here. This position is called the front axle. Be sure to loosen it. Okay. Okay, take this brake card off here. And there's a compartment. Use this long one first. Use the shaft to go through here. Be sure to keep an eye on this location. The brake must be jammed. Put the short shaft here. Nut. Wrench it tight. Okay, install the brakes. This is the rear brake. Then let it go. Here, stick it on. Here, screw. Screw it up. This is the brake on the other side. It works the same way. Stuck in. Be sure to pay attention to this position when tightening. This brake cable is the front brake. Don't mix left and right. Mix up this brake and it loses its meaning. And then there's the wiring. Keep an eye on this line, okay? Be sure to plug it in the way of this plug. Don't plug it in wrong. You can't plug it in if you plug it in wrong. Okay, so we are the key now. Plug it in. Open. Now you see that the meter has started to light up. Then we have to try its function first. The first one with headlights here. Add and subtract turn signals for gears. The adjustment of the meter and the switch of the horn. Let's press the switch of the headlight first. Okay, no problem. Clay slab lampshade. And then we are going to remove the screw here. Note that there is another screw under this that should also be removed. Then put back the screws you just removed. Okay, here's a front clay slab, and it's done. Come on, we're installing this fender. Is this screw also on it? 2 screws are installed directly. Okay, so we can complete the installation of one car. After loading the car, turn on the power. After turning on the power supply, after we sit on it, the brakes need to be pinched. After pinching, it can start normally. Such an assembly step has been completed.